Okay, so it's time. Let's start our today's test training. Okay, so today we I will show you something about the 6V module and counter. Yeah, from two topic. First topic, I will show you something about our module, the digital I/O and the unlock module, yes. And the second topic is about the capture. I will show you the Ethernet capture and how to use the Ethernet capture with the module. Yeah. So let's start the first topic. Okay. But uh let's let's see how to add the module into our project. Yeah. You can see in our program tree there is a part about the external function. When you click it, you can see a page like this. Then you can see the module in your software, the module in your software on the left. And then you can see your PLC, and then you can add module in here, just like this. Yeah. And you can change the sets. Station 1 to station 3 is more freedom. Yeah. So after we add the module into our project, we need to use them in our program. Yeah. So for the so we need mapping the value into our PLC. Most modules support mapping function. Mapping the value in module to the register in PLC. By default, unlock is stored from R0. Unlock is stored from R0 to the channel you have, such as R0, R1, R2, R3, and you can change it to such as D0, change to the address you need. But digital, for digital I/O, sorry, for digital I/O, the address is be setting when you add the module into your project, such as the input is from X10 to X70. Wait a minute. Let me open my. Okay. So you can see. Sorry. So you can see it's from X0 to X7 is mapping to X10 to X70, and Y0 to and the X10 to X70 will mapping to um X20 to X27. Yeah. So and the Y is same as the X. the output is same the input. So the digital address is be setting default. Okay. Next, let's see about the digital module. You can see the name rule. The first one is about our PLC module. PLC module, yeah. And the next one is input. How many inputs you have in your module. And next is about output. And the E is more about the expansion module. And the X means input only, Y means output only, and it's XY means both input and output. And the T means only support NPN, and the P means only support PNP. So that's all about the digital I/O. Yeah, you just need to add them to your project and use the address in your project. Okay, the next topic is about analog 4AD. Analog 4AD means we have 4 channels to make the analog change to digital and save in our PLC. We have 3 conversion modes. One is about voltage, and the next one, second one, and the third one is about the character. So it's me when you input is between -10 to 10, you will get the value -10,000 to 10,000. Yeah, such as I input 8 water, and then you can get the 8,000 in your PLC. Yeah. For the character mode is similar as the voltage mode, yes. And the next one is about freeze time. The freeze time is used to reduce the partition of channel output data. Yeah. Sometimes our input is like this. And in our input, sometimes we have some little change by our environment, or other machine. Yeah. So if you want your input, your data is more like you need, you can set the failure time to miss this part to reduce the partition and make your data more like you need. Yeah. And the final one is about the calibration. Sometimes customer maybe don't need -10,000 to 10,000. Maybe they need such as -10 to 10 is bunch as to 24,000 to I think for 8,000. Yeah. So they can use the this function to set the to set the value into the this formula and to get the gain and offset and set it in here to create to create the bunch the customer need. Yeah. And the next one is for DA. Like I said, 4AD is analog to digital. So 4DA is for digital to analog. It still have three mode like 4AD. And the next one is about the output state after stopping. It means when our PLC will run to stop, what value will stay in our channel. If we choose clear, then when the PLC is stop mode, the value will back to 0. If we use the reserve, the PLC becomes stop mode, and the value will still the value the value reset reset. Yeah. And the third one is about the default value. When the PLC is become to stop model, the value will back to the value you set in. Sorry. Yes, you can see. You can set a default value in here, and when the PLCs become to stop model, the channel will keep will back to the value you set. Yeah. So this is all about our module, and the next topic is about our counter. First, we need to import the XML file. But in fact, in the version I send in group, the XML the file is in the software already. Yeah. So you can just click the EtherCAT and choose the counter. Yes. To add the counter of EtherCAT slave in your project. So because the counter is acted as a EtherCAT slave, so one PLC can support up to 64 counter in one PLC. Our PLC have DA and the DB, DC and the DD. Yeah, you can see. You can remember the ABCD, just like 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many EtherCAT slave they can add? You can just remember formula 2 and add 2. It's mean if you are DA model, you are DA model, you can support to 8 slave, and if you are DD, you can support 64. Yeah. So it's how many EtherCAT slave we can add in our PLC. Yeah. And if you use the PLC software is too old, you don't have the XML file in your software, you can download it in our Weekend support center. Yeah. And for the expansion module with the capture is just like the module, how use the module I just told you in the first topic. You can right click the station and the new, you can see the topic, you can see the module in here and click to add it in your project and connect it to your computer, and then you can use it. For the module in computer, it don't have the page like in your PLC. You can see in your PLC is very clear, but in the computer, it's just some value. But you can see the command and the name in here. It's similar as the setting page in your PLC. So we have mapping and have the mode setting, and we have the stop model. Yeah, just like we just say in the first topic. But the difference, but the difference for this module, the first one difference is for the IO module. For the IO module, it cannot mapping to like the PLC. Uh, just like I said in PLC, there will defect mapping to extend to x27, but if you use the capture, you still need to use the address. And only support the word address. So such as if you want to map to, you can see it's only support int int tab. So you can only set such as D0, such as D0. Then if you want use the x0 to x7, you can use such as I just set the first channel D0, right? So if I need to use the x0, we can set D 0.0. Yeah, just like this. Use the bit in the word. Yeah, it's about the IO, about the digital module. So for the analog module, you can see in our setup, we don't have this. We don't have calibration. uh, without the calibration, everyone everyone is sent as the everything is sent as the module used in our PLC. Yeah. And the final final difference between the module in Capture and the module in PLC is the module type will have some little difference. You can see in the Capture we have 8HC is the high counter module, but because our XML file is told our software is not the newest version, so we have no the HHC. Yeah. So it have a small difference between PLC and Capture. Yeah, so that's all I want to show today. And at the end, let's see a video about our new project. So I just show you the Capture is use the EtherCAT protocol. Use EtherCAT protocol can use in our 6V. Our 6V have Ethernet protocol, Ethernet port, right? So it can link to our 6V. But sometimes customer buy the Capture maybe need to connect to some other PLC, such as Siemens. Yeah, maybe they don't have EtherCAT. But as we know, Siemens can support Profinet. Yeah, so we have the Profinet Capture. Yeah, and now this is the video about the Profinet Capture. Okay, the Profinet Capture is coming soon. Yeah, I mean maybe some customer have some model model, but I think not everyone have this capture. So I just use a video to sample introduce it. Yeah. So that's all I want to show today. And the next topic is and the next training is in Thursday. Yeah. Jim will show you how to use the servo in 6V. Yeah, and you can scan this QR code to visit our YouTube to see the recount of our training or some new product introduce video, just like the Profinet video I just show you. And when the when the Profinet capture is fed to you, and we will update the configuration video into our YouTube. Yeah. So that's all I want to show today. So my turn is over. Next turn is about Molly.